Hello YouTube, Southeast Stacker here. Hope y'all are having a good day today. I got a couple of pieces of mail here. World Money Wins. I got yours in. I'll do a video on it probably tomorrow. I'm going to start with this one because it's heavy and it's thick. So this is from T-Bird. So we're going to see what in the world he has sent me. Alright. Let me get over here where y'all can see. Hope y'all are having a blessed day. I'm having a good one. It's still a little hot here in the south. Okay, that makes sense. We got some cardboard there, stiffen things up. Nice. Good Lord. Alright. Oh, I hope the tape don't take the stuff off of that poker chip. That would be bad, bad, bad. Come on, dude. Sorry, y'all know I'm not on camera, but sometimes tape can pull these stickers off these poker chips. So if you're gonna tape them, put them in a flip or something. Just a little friendly advice. Maybe it'll come off of there. Okay. Awesome. No damage. Alright. Good job. So we got his poker chip right here. T-Bird stacking. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And wow, okay, quite a bit of stuff here. Let's see. We got some more tape here to deal with. Okay, that's gone. Wow. What in the world? More tape. Okay. What have you done, T-Bird? So he had it between two magnets like this. So looks like we got us an $8. Looks like a bicentennial one at that. Let me pull that off of there. He had everything nice and secure. That's good. So here we go. We got us a bicentennial Eisenhower dollar. Very cool. I like the Liberty Bell on the back side. Pretty coin. I think I've got 2 or 3 of these, but they are nice. Always good to have another one. I think they're cool. I dig them. Alright, let's see here. Let me get these magnets untaped. Come on now. Oh, come on. Don't tear it up. There you go. Alright, get that off. So here we go. T-Bird 54. Magnet. Still some tape on it. I'll get that off later. Well, I might just get it right now. Looks like it's going to come off. Sweet. So we got that one. And we got this one. T-Bird. Very nice. Another magnet. Or tape. That's alright, I'll get it. And we got this right here. I can get my fingernail under it. Oh, it's an awesome sticker. Very nice. Thank you so much, T-Bird. And then right here we got a coaster. Wow. I love these coasters. These are cool, by the way. Alright. We got oh, that's a fire sticker there, boys. I like these sparklies. I don't know if the camera ain't even doing it justice, but yeah, it's a sparkly sticker. Very nice. And then we got another white design sticker that matches the oh, we got a little message wrote right here. T-Bird, thank you for your support. 5 out of 50. Awesome. Everything's got some stuff wrote on it. 2024, 9 out of 50. Very nice. Documenting everything. I like it. I like it a lot. Very cool. Very cool indeed. So T-Bird, I do appreciate the swag pack. Brother, it's awesome. Got the poker chip. We got the Ike dollar. And the coaster and the magnets and the stickers and. What a package. Wait a minute. There's something else in here. Let's see what this is. I almost cut the camera off. Here we go. This is good. I'm glad I didn't do that. Here we go. Hey Southeast. I'll have to read it over here. Thank you for your support with my channel. I appreciate you, brother. Thanks for the poker chip and the sticker swag. Enclosed is my poker chip, stickers, coaster, and magnet swag. God bless, brother. Thanks, and keep on stacking. T-Bird. Awesome, brother. Thank you, T-Bird. Very nice card here. I will, this is awesome. I'll have to do an updated magnet short and another sticker album update. So cool. Very, very cool. Thank you, brother. And World Money Wins, again, we got your package, brother, and I will be doing a video on it tomorrow. Give you your own video. So thank y'all. Man, this is some nice stuff here. God bless. Thank you, T-Bird. Thank you, the viewer, for watching, and we appreciate you all. This is Southeast Stacker. Check you later.